Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this polished chrome bathroom faucet by Tosca, and you could also get it in brushed nickel, oil rub bronze. So here is another box. Here are the instructions on how to install it, the description of the items that are included. Here is what's in the box. This you can take off after you install it, of course. Let's leave it there for now so we don't scratch it. Here goes the chrome tool. It comes with a tool. And here you have it. This is where the water comes out and you pull it up. This goes under your sink, and you have both hoses here. This goes in between. So that's what you get when you buy the faucet. Hopefully the video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy.